full and get a bad driver. The men shell a spend shell a man a drop like what? We a bumbo clot and striker. Me pop it off and clot it.
That's it. Anyway, yo niggas, I realize that someone not even know when a girl step out or a cheat. So what I want to do, I observe this. See? It's if you have a girl who ever dep on her phone, I mean, every second, always have her phone in her hand, and you observe this. So when you message her, you can message her, she reply in less than a minute. She always reply, she always have time for you. You see the day, a day that when you come when you message her, and she take 4 hours to reply back and reply with all that stuff, relationship done. You have to left her one then. You see it? You have to just know so I hit that. Somebody else will text her. She'll text somebody else. She don't like you no more. You see it? The end that. Be wise. Alright. You have some liar girl who tell you say I work them there and that's why you see me. Like if I call center them work and you can't hold them phone or a bank. But I hear a girl so you must know I work your job. You see me? I lie at them, I trust them. Them not good.
All me need the clip full and get a bad driver. The men shell a spend shell a man a drop like what? We a bumbo clot and striker. Me pop it off and clot it. Swear to God I don't care if your body not the place and nobody around here. Cut it to win at the clip and every cup a gun share 6 man.